Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Green Parrot Cabaret. Yes, it's me, Betty. You thought you'd got rid of me, but no, I come to you live from my Aberystwyth dressing room. And I just wanted to say a very special good luck to Lee D. Johns and his Thunder Showgirls. I know, it's not me. He's probably in my dressing room now, upstairs, trying on my dresses. They're never fit. They're all a size 8, probably his leg. He won't mind me saying that, but he does look very good lately. Must have been to the gym. Anyway, I'm rambling. So, lovely people, sit back and take your shoes off those very expensive seats. It's not funny, girls. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, and others, it gives me great pleasure to introduce to you the fabulous Lee D. Johns and his Thunder Showgirls. Enjoy your evening. I am big. It's the pictures that got small. All right, Lee. Oh.